I'm Mark Linares. I'm an engineer here at Tecalum. We make profiles of aluminum and we machine them for the industrial sector. We mainly use 3D printing for tooling, fixtures, and jigs. Our 5-axis machining machines require specialized clamps that we 3D print. Before using the Sigmax, we used to order our clamps from an external vendor. They custom tailored them to our needs and produced them in mechanized nylon, which was more expensive and took longer to receive. We're constantly adapting our clamp designs in SolidWorks and 3D printing non-stop in order to keep our production moving. The two main advantages of using BCN 3D printers is time savings and cost reductions. One of the other advantages of working with 3D printers is their versatility. Our toolings are printed with the larger size nozzles because our clamps do not require as much precision. We prefer the quickness and the hardness that the 0.8 and 1 mm hot end provides. We couldn't be happier. The Sigmax is a reliable printer which helps us in our production workflow.